Welcome back to Speller Math Tutorials. If you find today's tutorial helpful, please subscribe and/or like, and let's begin. Today we have a word problem. Miguel saved $70 in 5 weeks. He saved equal amounts of money each week. How much would he save in 8 weeks? Let's go ahead and pull out the important information in this problem. So here we know that he saved $70. We know that he saved that $70 in 5 weeks. We also know that he saved equal amounts. And then the question that we have to answer is how much would he save in 8 weeks? And the other important part, or the other important piece here, is the 8 weeks. Here we see that I've already started with a diagram showing the weeks, and let's be more explicit with this diagram. And let's label this first part week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. And we know that the total for those 5 weeks is $70. And we want to find out how much he saved in 8 weeks. This box here represents week 6, 7, and 8. And we need to figure out what that amount is. And then we're going to end up adding 70 and that amount to answer the question, which is how much he saved in 8 weeks. All right, we're going to begin this problem by doing a division problem, because we see here that he saved equal amounts of money each week. Well, we know that we have a 5-week period and $70 is what he saved. So we're going to make 5 our divisor. And we're going to make 70 our dividend. 5 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. We do our subtraction. 7 minus 5 is 2. And then we bring down the 0. And now we have 20 divided by 5, which is 4. And then 4 times 5 is 20. We do our subtraction. And we see there's nothing left over. So here we see that he saved $14 each week. So let's place a 14 in each one of these boxes here. So now we visually see what's going on, and we know that he continued that trend for week 6, which is also going to be 14, week 7, which is going to be 14, and finally week 8, which is 14 as well. Now to get that total for week 6, 7, and 8, we just need to add these numbers up, or in this case we can multiply by 3. Let's go ahead and multiply to be a little bit more efficient. So here we have 14 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3, plus that 1 is 4. So we see that in that 3-week span, he saved $42. But the question here is how much would he save in 8 weeks? So what we need to do is we need to add the amount of money in the first 5 weeks to the amount of money in the second 3 weeks. So here we have 70, and we're going to add to that 42. So 0 plus 2 is 2, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So here we see that in those 8 weeks that Miguel saved up $112. All right, that sums up this tutorial by Speller Tutorial Services. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.